In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dictate in Microsoft Word 365. If you're looking to boost your productivity or simply prefer speaking to typing, this feature is perfect for you. So let's get started. First, let's head over to Free Microsoft 365 Online. Open your preferred web browser and type in Microsoft 365 Online, or you can use the link provided in the video description below. Once you reach the Microsoft 365 Online page, look for the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on Sign In will prompt you for your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up. It's quick and free and also gives you access to other Microsoft services. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Microsoft 365 dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of Office apps available to use right from your browser. Our focus today is on Word, so go ahead and click on the Word icon. This will open a new tab with the Word Online interface. You have the option here to either create a new document or open an existing one. For practice, let's create a new document. With the new document open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's similar to the desktop version, with the ribbon at the top featuring all the familiar tools. Now, to get started with dictation, look for the Dictate button. It's located in the toolbar. You'll see it right beside other input tools like Editor and Read Aloud. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. A small microphone icon will appear to indicate that Word is now ready to take your voice input. To begin dictating, you might need to allow Word access to your microphone. A notification may pop up asking for permission, so make sure to allow it. Once that's done, you simply start speaking, and Word will transcribe your voice into text in real time. Keep a steady pace and articulate clearly for the best results. Don't worry about stopping and starting. Word will pause automatically when you do. As you dictate, feel free to try out voice commands for punctuation and formatting. You can say things like period, new line, or bold that to control your document more fluidly without lifting a finger. Once you're finished, you can click the Dictate button again to stop the transcription process, and there you have it. You've successfully learned how to dictate in Microsoft Word 365. This feature is a fantastic way to streamline your document creation process and save time. Be sure to practice and explore voice commands to further enhance your experience. Thanks for watching, and happy dictating.